Today, we will learn how to create this motion graphic effect social media post in Canva. Are you ready? Let's dive into Canva tips and tricks. First, go to Elements and search for Stunt Motorcycle. Choose any of these options, but I'm selecting this one. After that, go to the Magic Grab option and Edit Image and choose the motorcycle and the man like this one. Then, go to Flip and flip the motorcycle and adjust it perfectly on the whiteboard, friends. After that, go to Elements and search for Shapes. Choose a square shape and adjust it right here, perfectly. Then, go to Colors and choose any color you want. It's up to you, I'm choosing this one. Go to this option and increase the border weight. After that, choose any border color you want, I'm choosing this one. Once you're done forming it, rotate and adjust it very perfectly, like what I'm doing right now. Exactly like that. When you've adjusted it, duplicate it and adjust it on the other side as well. Now click on the motorcycle, right-click, go to Layers, and choose Bring to Front like that. Next, choose the right side shape, right-click on it, go to Layer, and choose Bring to Front like that. After that, adjust the motorcycle a little bit like that. After that, go to Elements and search for Shadows. Choose this one and adjust the shadow in there like that. Bingo! Like that, now it's looking realistic. Now, go to Text and choose this one. I'm editing this text with Moto Racing like that. After that, go to Effects and choose Lift Effect. Increase its intensity, then it becomes stunning. Now, click on the three dots and click on Duplicate to make a duplicate of the video like that. Now, watch carefully, do the same, take the motorcycle back like that. And then cover the design with our shapes like that. Okay, guys, now take the text to the left side, but keep the text a little bit. And go to Transparency and decrease it. And then also decrease the shadow transparency like that. Now, take this duplicate video to the first side. And go to Transition and choose this Match and Move Transition, and now set its timer as well, like that. Bingo! Our work is done. Now, go to the Share button and download it as an MP4 video. Here is our final result. If you like my video, then like and subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.